Hey, and thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to talk through the recording options through Microsoft Teams. So as we know, Microsoft Teams is the hub for teamwork. And essentially, it is a platform that brings together collaboration, chat, meetings, applications, so that you have one central place to work every day. So again, Teams is a tool, and as I kind of like to market it myself, is Microsoft Teams is the Office 365 Swiss Army knife. It really can do so many different things. One of the things it can do, of course, is allow you to record your meetings. Well, in addition to recording your meetings, you can also record videos and training content. So as I have created all these videos for you, you can do the same type of recordings through Microsoft Teams and then share them out either externally or internally. So first things first, through Microsoft Teams, when I go into, so I'm joining or logging in to Office through a web browser, I clicked on Microsoft Teams. When I go into the calendar, what you will see is a Meet Now and a new meeting. Now, you also have from the drop down live events. So there are many different ways you can conduct many types of meetings, trainings, broadcasts, town halls, etc. Meet Now essentially is going to spin up an ad hoc meeting right from your calendar. I use Meet Now to record all of these videos that I upload to my YouTube channel for you all. New meeting would be any new meeting. Maybe you have a one-on-one meeting with your manager. Maybe you have an external meeting with a vendor or something to that nature. And of course, a live event is going to be more of a broadcast style where you're pushing information out to people. So think of town halls, etc. Large scale meetings where people are in a listen only mode. But so with the Meet Now, what I did for this particular meeting was I'm using Teams. I'm recording this because I want to show you where your recordings live once you stop the recording in whatever type of session you're conducting. So as it stands today, and it's February 17th, 2021, so starting March 1st, I'll create a new video because we are going to change it. But as of right now, videos live in Stream. So when you go to the Office 365 portal, on the left-hand navigation rail, you'll see your applications. You're going to see the most recent applications that you've accessed. So if you don't see the Stream icon here, click on the All Apps down at the very bottom left. And when you click on All Apps, it's going to render all of your applications that you're licensed for through your administrator. And then you would click on Stream. So when I click on Stream, again, this is where recordings and videos are housed today through Teams. Starting March 1st, this is going to transition from Stream to OneDrive and SharePoint. And again, I will create a new video at that point. So when we open up Stream, the first thing you're going to do is on My Content from the drop down here, we're going to go to videos. You could go to meetings if you wanted to as well. It will render to the same place. So here, let's say this is the video that I want to share externally. Well, one thing to note that's very important is Stream is an internal only option. So the first thing you need to know is if you need to share this video with an external person outside of your agency or organization, when you come into Stream, go to My Content, find the video and open it, you'll see it looks similar to YouTube. You click on the three dots, and from here you can download the video. When you download that video, it downloads an MP4, as you can see here. And if I choose to show in the folder, this is where it lives. And then what you would need to do is drag it into however you're permitted to share content and items externally. So if you have an external OneDrive folder, you can drag it into that OneDrive folder. If you have an external SharePoint site where you can share content externally there, you could drag it into that. But again, you do need to click on the three dots to download it, to be able to move it somewhere as an MP4 file to share externally. Now, if you just created this training video and you want to share it to people inside your agency or organization, same place, you click on the three dots, go to Update Video Details. This is essentially the edit button. Here's where you can change the name, change the description. If you want your transcription to show, you can set your language here. You have two options for permissions. You can allow everyone in your company to view this. So if this was a training video or some sort of communication, maybe your agency secretary has created a video to share with all of the employees and you want to publish that out to everyone, you would just click on allow everyone in your company to view this file and hit apply. And what happens is anyone who gets the link to this video will be able to view it by just clicking on the link. And of course, to share it with everyone in your agency, you can click on share and you can copy the URL there. You can create and email the video, or you can embed the video URL with wherever you need to share it. So those are your options for that point. Another option you have, so maybe you didn't need to share it with everyone in your agency. Maybe you only wanted to share it with a subset of users. What you could do then is you could select certain people. So if I wanted to share this video with Nestor, let's see if I can find him. There he is. I don't want him to be an owner. I just want him to be able to see it. I could add him here and I could apply it. Or you could search for groups or channels if you have those created, and you'd be able to apply this to certain subset of people as well. So again, this is where you can go in and set specific people or your entire agency. Just make sure you remember to hit apply with whatever changes that you make here so that those changes stick. And that concludes the video for today. I appreciate you joining, and look for an update in March after the changes from Stream to OneDrive and SharePoint take place, and I will be instructing you on how to access and share your videos from those tools once the changes have been made. Thanks and have a great day.